I think of catching continuity errors as the secret sauce of trade book copy editors, particularly for fiction. Number 4, the chickens were laying 24 eggs a week. This is a really common incorrect use of hyphens.
I said, this paragraph is too general for placing here. Replace in the introduction or maybe in the first chapter somewhere. If you unpacked it some more, you might it could be your hook. It's really what your book is about. Okay, welcome to week 6, running your developmental editing and line editing business.
Now, this quote is a little bit trite, but the harder you work, the more luck you will have. Freelancing, and it's not Thomas Jefferson, so if you were to fact check that, that would be something you would query your author.